gonna be guessing what's in here, and I'm gonna tell you what these are.
Okay, how do they know what to guess in that yellow bag?
It's from season 4.
Okay.
And this one. Let's see what this one is.
That one's sugar plum, huh?
It smells like plums.
It doesn't smell like plums.
Uh-huh. It smells like candy. It
That
smells
one.
like a candy.
Candy ribbon, was it?
Uh-huh. Yeah, this really does smell like a candy cane.
That one smells like a candy cane.
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite?
The candy cane.
Do you know who they're by? Who made it?
Uh-uh.
I think it's called Lip Smackers. You want to put some on?
It smells like there's candy cane around here.
Oh, wow.
And leave it in the comments what season 4 Sharpkins in here.
Okay. Anything else?